How to turn off replay on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off the replay button on your snaps. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application from your device. Then let's go ahead and take a snap. As you do so, if you would like to turn off the replay button of this snap, you will see a timer icon at the below option. Tap onto it. By default, it might be set onto no limit or infinity. Now let's go ahead and switch it on to 1 or 2 seconds maximum. Then tap on send to. Then send it to your friends. And if they open your snap, this is what it will look like. If you don't want to show them 2 seconds, you can also switch your snaps to only 1 second, and that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.